started from past 2 days. So we are on day 2, which is on 13th of September 2024. So in the last class, we started looking at the keywords. So when we are looking at the keywords, let them mute the people. Can you mute your calls, please? Srilata, Sheikh Shahid, Srinath. If you have no questions, if you can mute your calls, it will be really fine, please. I request you. Because I'm unable to mute you people. Srilata, yeah, thank you. That's a great one. Thank you. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Keywords. When I'm looking at the keywords, okay, last week in the last class, we have seen some keywords like what will be a domain controller, what is an active directory, what is a MAC address, what is an IP address. So we got some clarity on this. If any doubts, you can pitch in anybody. If not, we'll cover. Okay. So today we will see some more keywords. The one more keyword we use is malicious. This is an English word which we are going to use a lot in our security. What is malicious? An abnormal activity. Okay. Like something happening in my company, something which is not normal, we call it as malicious. For example, there is a good word I'll say for malicious that is called malware. They call it as malware. Basically, we used to call it as virus. Okay. What is virus? It is a software. A virus is a software. But a software which is unwanted, we don't want in our computer. They will bring this software, and by executing this software, they create some abnormal activity. Okay. For example, recently there is one software, one virus came in, which is it. Okay. What they did, the hacker will design a small software which is an unwanted. We really don't want it. For our computer to operate, this software will be nowhere usable. But once you get this software into a computer and you execute it, means if you click on it, then the software started changing my computer's all file names automatically. This software started creating a problem, which is an abnormal activity. Okay, abnormal activity. This type of unwanted softwares we call it as virus. Nowadays, we are calling the virus the virus as malware. Same one, that is nothing different. What is this malware? This malware stands for malicious software. So what is this malicious software? An abnormal activity will be performed using this software, and hackers will be designing it. So you remember, this is a keyword which is called malware. Everybody, very important. Malware. Okay. We'll be using this keyword also in our things. After we're done with malware, we will go with a small concept called HTTP, where there are some keywords inside it. Okay. This will give you this is a protocol basically, but this will give you so many of keywords, which I'll be using throughout. HTTP. What is this HTTP stands for? Okay. HTTP stands for Hyper Text Transfer Protocol. Okay. Hypertext Transfer Protocol. This is your first content. What is this hypertext transfer protocol? What's the need of this? What is protocol? A set of rules. I'll talk to this. We'll come there. Okay. The major advantage of this protocol is you have your computer. Okay. In your computer, this is a laptop or your anything you can laptop, and you are trying to access a website on the internet. You have internet. And you are trying to access the server here. For example, we'll take a server called Amazon. Amazon web server. So what you do now in your laptop, you open your browser. Browser means any Google, sorry. You open your browser. What is a browser? Your browser can be Google, Edge, anything. Open any one browser, Chrome browser, and you type like this, Amazon.com. Then a TCP connection, everything takes place, and a protocol will help you in communicating with this Amazon server. What is the need of this Amazon server? Protocol? This is HTTP protocol. Okay, let me give it some color so that you can understand it. I'll give it this color. This is my protocol. Okay, this protocol, what I'm writing here is HTTP protocol. What is the need of this protocol? Now go with the browser. I went into my browser. I opened a new browser. I'm writing Amazon.com. This is Amazon.com. And I pressed enter. This is my web page. But seriously, do you know this is a web page? No, guys. This is your front page, which is a web page GUI, graphical user interface, where you can do your actions. But what is the original code of this web page? Okay. This is the original code of your web page. Means this is the source code of the web page. Means for Amazon, this is the source code. Now, this source code, you people are operating it like this. For example, I told you, hey team, can you please order me a laptop or order me a keyboard? You go to the keyboards, click here. You will select for the different types of keyboards. You select this keyboard, you go to the cart, you do the payment and clear it. You know all this because it is very easy to in a graphical interface. But my question, I told, hey, no, I don't want you to order your GUI. Go to the source code. In the source code, can you order me a keyboard? No chance. Because you people don't understand because the source code is a hypertext. This is a high level hypertext. You can't even understand it. So now what is happening? This hypertext, which is a source code of your website, is being converted into an understandable graphical user interface with the protocol called HTTP. It will transfer your hypertext into a normal GUI. That is called HTTP. Am I clear, everybody? Team, is the concept clear? HTTP. Any doubts here? Hello, I'm audible? Yeah, somebody messaged it finally. Hey, great, Ventesh. Thank you. So this is hypertext transfer protocol. Now the problem came with this hypertext transfer protocol is like, now you reached Amazon, you are okay, you are understanding the Amazon and you started. Now you purchase something and you went to the payment. When you are doing the payment, you entered a credit card number 543146792432. A credit card number on your payment. Now this credit card travels through this protocol only like this. 543146792432 and goes to my things like this. 543146792432. What is it? I did not understand. What is Y? Can you come again? What is this Y, please? Hello. You can unmute and talk to me, please, if possible.
I mean, yes.
Yeah, please. Any questions you have? Okay. 1 minute. Let me minimize it. What happened to this? Why it took the call like this? Okay. Now what happened? This is happening. What got selected here? Okay, I'll take one more page. Let me. So this is my This is my computer. This is my Amazon page. Okay. This is my internet. Okay. I took my browser. I placed amazon.com. Then I got one protocol open. This protocol which is open is HTTP, and it opened my web page, my Amazon web page. Now my problem is not this. In security, what happened? Now I entered my credit card number here. 543924216321. The credit card number, when I'm doing the payment, it goes through this internet only because it's a protocol. It travels through this. So I'm entering my 543924216321, and it is passing through my internet and going to my Amazon server as a payment gateway. But the problem here to me is when I'm doing this, okay, I have a public facing. Internet is a public facing. You can't say only I will use this. Then what happened? The internet is also accessed by a hacker. No, hacker came into your traffic, which is called man in the middle attack, and he got your credit card. So automatically your payment details are hacked. Then how safe it is? Then people said, no, 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 it is not at all possible doing HTTP. We don't want to use this HTTP. They rejected it. It's a security breach. Even today, some people use it, but we cannot use it. Then they said, okay, you have this problem. What is the problem? They found like this. The problem in HTTP is the data what you are transferring. This data is getting transferred in a plain text. So what is the data transferring? If anybody is looking at it, they're understanding what is the data. So they said, okay, this is your problem. Then we solve your problem like this. How they solve the problem? They created one more HTTP called HTTPS. Oh, this is not visible. Let me make it to blue color, something dark. Okay, they made it into HTTPS. What is this S? Hypertext Transfer Protocol Secure. S stands for secure. What is this secure? What they did, I'll say you. In the secure, basically the data you enter is plain only. I agree, it is plain text. But the secure option comes in between, and it will convert your plain data into cipher data. Cipher means nobody understands it, only you can understand. So they started converting this. So what is the security they told? Okay, from today, whatever plain data you type on your computer, when this plain data is entering into the internet, okay, is entering into the internet, I guarantee you that the data will be entering as a cipher text. Cipher data means the plain text will be converted into cipher. What is cipher? I'll show you. And again, when it is reached to your destination, that is your destination, we'll convert into plain and give you. So this is a deal done. So what is the deal done now? Oh, this I'll close it. This is waste. No. Okay. What is the deal done? Now this is the thing done. Now in this, what they done, I'll show you. See, the same data, the hacker is there. Okay. Now the data which is transferring here, what they did, I'll show how they did it. This is plain text. When this plain text is transferring into the internet, it goes like this. Like this. And it will, when again this is called ciphertext. Nobody understands it. Now this ciphertext again entering into this plain, it will convert it into 543924216323. Like this. Okay, I forgot 3 here. 3. Okay, this is it. So now how do this plain text is converting into ciphertext, and how do this ciphertext is again converting into plain text? We'll see this. Am I clear? Is the process clear? Everybody understood it? What are you trying to do? Now, converting this plain text into cipher and cipher to plain, your HTTP has become HTTPS. That is Hypertext Transfer Protocol Secure. Yeah, great. Thank you. Now, What are the keywords you are learning in this? The first one is encryption. Encryption. The second one is decryption. What is this encryption? What is this decryption? We'll look into it. How is it entering into it? Now, encryption is a process. Okay, what happens in encryption? It is a process which converts plain text into ciphertext. It is a process which converts plain text into a ciphertext. This is encryption. Okay, how it converts, we'll see. Plain text to cipher data. Anything is okay, Nana. Okay, I'm just writing text, plain text to ciphertext. Okay, this is called encryption. Now, how it converts, we'll see. One example. Okay, now I gave a data like this at my computer. Okay, this is just an example. Don't take it the keys, everything, just to make you understand. Right, I wrote a secret 487, no, 4132, like this. There's a number. This is a number I have. Means secret 4132. Now this is a message I'm sending. It's a secret 4132. This is my pin code. Take it pin code. Okay. Now my pin, my ATM pin. Okay. Now I go to internet and it should reach my destination where I'm sending it. Now, this is a plain text, complete plain data. This plain text have to be converted into cipher. How I do? Now, I take a help of a key. Okay, let me take this is your HTTPS connection. Now, what happens? There comes a key here. This is a key. Okay. These keys will be generated by you. I'll talk about these keys later. We'll have a great concept on this, which is called cryptography. Then we'll talk. Key. Now what happened? This key will convert this into things. Now what is the key I'm using here is for only for make you understand I'm talking. Only to make you understand. This key will be not the original key. To make you understand, right? The key is alphabets to numerical and numericals to alphabets. I'm just using it. Key means every alphabet should be converted into numericals and every numerical should be converted into alphabets. This is the process we are planning to do. So you know what is that alphabets A, B, C, D. A stands for 1, B stands for 2, like this. Like that I'm converting. If I do now, my secret, the secret will be converted S. If I talk of S, the S is called 19. You remember in alphabets, S is 19 number. E is 5. C is 3. Okay, C is 3. R is 18. Okay, 18. And E is again 5. T is 20. Okay, this is means what I did, the secret is converted into 195318520 and the number 4, according to 4, for me 4 stands for D. Okay, 1 stands for A and 3 stands for C and 2 stands for B, like this. So now what happened? The secret 4132 is converted into like this. Now in case into the internet, okay, if a hacker logged into my internet like this, there is a hacker and this fellow tried to enter into it and try. He copied it. Can he understand what is this? No, because this is a ciphertext. He cannot understand it. So again, while giving back to my thing, I'll use another key here. There will be another key like this. This key will be a decryption key. What is decryption key? Again, it will convert numerical into alphabetical, alphabetical into numerical. So automatically, my data will be converted into secret 4132. Am I clear? This is a process. Basically, we have to do. So in this, if you look into it, we came to know what is encryption, what is decryption. What is encryption you're doing? The encryption is taking place converting a plain text into ciphertext. Then what is decryption? A decryption is a process of converting ciphertext into plain text. Am I clear with this topic, everybody?
Yes.
Yeah, great. This is one word. So here you learned some keywords. What is it? You learned what is cipher. Okay, what is plain text? What is encryption? What is decryption? Now, to perform an encryption decryption, which is the most important thing? To perform encryption and decryption, what is most important? Nana? If anybody? To perform encryption and decryption, what I require? Come on, easy. What I require? Remember this, because I'm going to use this in the letter. I want to know now only. To perform encryption and decryption, what should I require? Come on, yeah, please. Remove the diagram, otherwise I would have showed you. Excellent, boss. Keys. Patrick clear. Yeah, it's keys. You need keys. Without keys, you can't do anything. Regarding these keys, we are going to talk in the coming days, which is called cryptography. I'll talk. Cryptography concept comes, then it will be really interesting. Then that. These are the keywords. Now, before the things, there were two, three more keywords, which are very important keywords I'll be using. The keywords is called CIA triad. What is a CIA triad? In a security, with CIA triad, it's very, very, very important. You have to understand it. What is the CIA triad? C stands for confidentiality. Okay. Confidentiality. If the spelling mistakes are coming, excuse, because I'm very bad at English spellings. I can speak, but I cannot because I'm a Telugu medium student basically. Confidentiality, availability. Okay. No, no. I stands for integrity, right? Yeah. Integrity. Integrity. Okay. And the last one is availability. 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 Yeah, great, great, very good. Confidentiality, integrity, availability. Mark this. These three are your major keywords, means major parameters which will be measuring your SOC activities. For example, what is it? I'll give you some examples. You say me yes or no. Will you agree for it or not agree? Okay. The first one is there is a computer, there is a laptop. This laptop is given to me by my company. I work in a company called Kiran at the rate of TCS.com. I work in TCS. And this computer, this laptop is provided by me from TCS and I'm working on the project. In this, there is one important data. Come on, yeah. There is a one important data. This is a data file. I'll make it bit small. Okay, there is an important data file like this. Now what I did, I created a mail. Okay, I created a mail. Some mail and I placed this important data as an attachment to this mail. Okay. And what I'm doing from Kiran US 20, I'm sending this mail to Kiran at the rate of gmail.com. Can I send or no? Can it be sent? This is my first question. Kiran at the rate of tcs.com. From this email ID, I'm creating an email, generating email, and I'm sharing this email to Kiran at the rate of gmail.com. Can I do it or no?
Yes.
Yes or no? Just yes. Sure.
Yeah.
Again, I'm asking. It is your company computer and the data belongs to your company. And if you are able to send it, yes, your company's confidentiality is very bad. Do you agree with me? You cannot send because Gmail is your personal account. You are sending a official data to a personal account means your company confidentiality is not good. Do you understand what is confidentiality? Confidentiality is one part of security which should make sure that the any important data belonging to my company should not be gone into any public interface without any prior approval. This is called confidentiality. And this should be maintained by the SOC people. Okay, you have to maintain it. SOC people have to maintain it. So you cannot send to any mail. This is confidentiality. I'll come back. We'll design all this one by one. Next is integrity. What is integrity? Again, same Kiran. They gave me a laptop. Who gave me the company? Kiran at the rate of tcs.com. But what is it? I got a problem with my manager. My manager and myself are not having a good terms. I put on my resignation. Means I want to come out of the company. But I need to work 1 month notice period. Without that, I should not come. Now I am in a notice period. This 1 month. But also already I'm irritated. I'm not interested with my company anymore or with my manager anymore. So what I did, there are some files in my laptop, which is a very important file. I started deleting them. Can I delete it? All the files which are belonging to my company? Like, yes or no? Can I delete it? No, you cannot delete it. No chance of deleting it all. Because before editing or sorry, before editing or before anything, you will have a thing. This should not. If you are able to delete it, if you are able to edit the data, see, you are 22 team members, for example. You all together designed a Java code for some client. And now one member resigned in this company. 21 team is only available and one member is in notice period. This fellow entering into Java code and making unnecessary changes and trying to edit the code as he likes. It will affect my whole code and my company. Means my integrity of my company is gone. So the integrity of the company will be very, very important in holding the things. Okay. So one is confidentiality, one is integrity. Now, my company is providing a public server which is like e-commerce servers, which is your shopping server. Now, this server, we have multiple customers with us. Customer one, customer two, customer three, up 2,000 customers, 10,000, 2 lakhs customers. Everybody connect to this public server and do shopping. This is a thing, trading or shopping, everything they do. But unfortunately, this server is down and it is not available for 24 hours. Is it good for your business? No, it is not at all good for your business. So always the primary and the critical server should be available 24 cross 7, 365 days. So what happens now? Confidentiality. Your data should not go out of your company. Integrity. The data as you created, it should be same. It should not be deleted or edited. Availability. The services you are providing to the customers in the public should be available 24 cross 7 cross 365 days. These are the three major criteria you have to remember. Okay, am I clear? Now, I will give you one scenario. Last month, sorry, any doubts until here? Sorry, team, any doubts on confidentiality, integrity, and availability or anything, please? Clear, very good. Now, comes to the scenario. The scenario is last month only, in the August, I have done a great job. You know what is the job? In my company, the confidentiality I maintained is 99.9%. And integrity, we maintained almost 99.5%. And availability, we missed them 1%, but it is 99%. This is the option. This three we maintained. Excellent. Confidentiality, integrity, availability. Now, if you are my manager, okay, or you are my client, now you have to perform my rating. You have to give me some rating for my work. Whether I'm excellent, whether I'm good, average, or bad. What do you prefer this? Now, last month, this is my performance. I maintained confidentiality 99%, 99.9%, integrity 99.9. What do you rate in this? Excellent, good, average, bad. What do you rate me? Good. Only good, Pratik. Okay. Patrick, sorry. Anything else? Anybody? If you perform this and you ask me the rating, I will give you bad. Clearly bad. You are a failure in your security. Reason is never compromise in this. If you have to maintain a company 100%, you have to maintain all these three. Then only your security is available. Otherwise, you are gone. Okay. Just kidding. Okay. Anyway, this is very important. Okay. Confidentiality, integrity, availability should be maintained 100%. This is your goal when you work in a cybersecurity company. Okay. Done. These are my keywords. Any doubt? There are some more keywords. We'll see one by one. Any doubts with these keywords? Yeah, clear. Now done. So we have done with the keywords. Now today onwards, we'll start the networking, the concept of networking. What is networking concept? If you want to go with a networking concept, okay? If you want to go with a networking concept, it will take 90 days for us. If I teach complete networking, it is, but no need, don't it. For security, how much of networking required, we will learn that for networking. That's it, for a security purpose. Starting on this networking, the first topic of networking, it means while seeing the title, you get bored, but don't worry, it will be really good. The very heart of networking is OSI layers. You have to see OSI layers in a different concept from today. This is OSI layers. What is OSI layers? Networking layer, first concept. What is OSI layers? Open source interconnect. When two devices in this electronic, any two devices communicating each other and connecting each other, interconnecting each other, these two devices, sorry guys, sleepy, have to follow OSI layer communication. Okay, without this OSI layer communication, you cannot communicate in this world. So what is it? This OSI layers are 7 layers. I'll start from this top layer: 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So what is my concept in OSI layer is, I will teach you the concept in 4 parts. What are the name of the layers? What is the data format of the layers? I'll add all this together last. Data format of the layers. What are the operations of each layer? What are the protocols of each layer? I'll discuss each topic separately like this. Then I'll add all these topics together, which will make up sense. Okay. First, I'm starting with my topic. First one, layer names. What are the names of the layers? So I'll start with 7th layer. The 7th layer, we call it as application layer. Application layer. The 6th layer, we call it as presentation layer. The 5th layer, we call it is the people who know, very good. The people who don't know, this should be your first alphabeticals in cybersecurity. You have to remember this thoroughly. Which layer name is what is the operations each layer do, how it transfers each layer to each layer. Without this, if you are performing cybersecurity operations, that means you are cheating yourself and the company also. Okay. Transport layer. Third, network layer. Second one, data link layer. This is the problem. Where it gone, I don't know. Here it is. Data link layer. Okay. Next, first one is physical layer. These are the 7 layers. Please write these titles. And stop. We'll stop here. We'll see tomorrow. No, not tomorrow. Tomorrow, any chance of joining the class, you people? No need. Why first weekend? Leave you. Enjoy first weekend. Next weekend I'll take. Because when I miss some classes in the weekdays, I'll handle it in the weekdays, weekends. But no need. Tomorrow we'll break. We'll see. Don't worry. Okay. Team, any doubts or any problem in understanding or anything, you can let me know. Hey, very good. Very good. Okay. No, you know, I know. But make sure once the classes are going on, at all of a sudden, I'll take one interview in the middle with the questionnaire class. That day, if the students are not replying in a white manner, I will become too bad. I'm openly saying it will be not like a friendly session. You paying some amount, I take, you dominate me. No, always I only dominate you. I want the job to be captured by or to be gained by the students. You paying some money here and listening class will not be fine. As I'm presenting myself best to you, I want best from you people too. So when I'll not say, you people keep on preparing. The day I come, you should not feel bad. You should treat me like a brother or your friend. The day I'm going to come back with my questions, it will be a very clear. Okay. Hope you will not take me wrong on that day. Okay. Right. Hey, Kiran, I just wanted to ask if it's necessary to learn Azure fundamentals. No, no need, bro. I will take care. It will be done. I'll take it. No need of any fundamentals. I'll clear it up to you. Okay. No, don't. If yes, not for this, but you take Azure fundamentals, that will be a really good knowledge for you to add in your resume. No chance of I will teach that. Why my number is not available in the group? I am getting it will be not in Kiran. I'll just now do that. Hmm. You are on which 9th, na? 9th September. This is Kiran. Yeah. I messaged it. That is my number. Okay. Any doubts, you can ping me. Tomorrow I'll be available. Yeah, weekend I'll be available. Today, no chance. I can't reply immediately. But tomorrow, sure, I'll reply. Okay. Weekends, I'll reply. Yeah. Thank you, team. Thank you. Have a great weekend. Enjoy. Catch up back on Monday. I have done. You have seen now. I have done. Hi, this is Kiran. Kumar, did you get it? Yeah, great. Thank you. Thank you, Patrick. Thank you, everyone. Bye.